All right, this tutorial is for Paula, Becky, Grace, and Makenna. You guys are the front row of the Dragon Dance intro. The first part of the intro is scared, and the second part is run. Now this is the run section for you, so you should have already gotten a video for the scared section. Now the run section for you guys is going to look like this. So you're going to be up here, you'll be facing the dragon over there, facing the dragon like this. You're going to come down. Put your knee under, stand up, sorry, just give me a moment. Stand, you come around, and your girls will have pulled over to here. While you do that spin, you're gonna step arabesque, and then you're gonna spin all the way around. You're gonna stop here. I can do this facing away from you in a second. So then you're going to do pas de basque. So you're going here, there, there. So it's a glissade from croisé to croisé. So glissade is where you're going leg out to leg out. So you're always going to prep with a plie, leg out to leg out. So you're going to go out, glissade, but the glissade brings you from here to here. And as soon as you close, you drop the arms. Then you're going to slide forward into arabesque like that. One more time, I'm going to show you a pas de basque from this way. Pas de basque. So that'd be here. So we'd go pas de basque. And you'll really lift your chin and be proud at the end. And then you're going to piqué from there with fouetté. So let me do the rest of this facing away from you so you can follow me, okay? So now we're pretending this is the audience and the dragon's back there. So you're going to be down here looking at the dragon. You come down, put your leg under, stand. You're going to spin. You go arabesque. Arabesque, spin, pas de basque, arabesque. Right here, you're going to fouetter all the way around. That's a fouetter promenade. So right here, you're fouetting like this. Then you're going to promenade just a little further. Then you're going to take just the leg from here, just the leg opens. You come up to retiré, and that's a piqué spin. So your piqué spins go like this. Arms out. Arms in, arms out, arms in, arms out. So piqué spin is plieing and straightening the standing leg. It looks a lot more complicated than it is once you get the hang of it. So the standing leg is going like this. The working leg is going down. Okay, it's all right. It's just on releve and then it whirls out. On releve and then it whirls out. And then the arms are going out when it's low, in when it's high. So again, you open everything, and it's the plie, foot on floor position. And then you close everything, and it's up high. And then you open everything, close everything. Really wish I could show you this in the studio, but it's supposed to look like this when it's fast. All right, so that's going to be piqué turns. You're going to do about 2 of those. And then whirl the arms and run off. I may have you do more, so just make sure you're practicing piqué, making sure that you do those as good as you can. And then I will adjust these things in our second draft when we come back together. And then you guys don't come back on so right away. And so this, it should take you from about 0:48 to 1:02 in the music, in the Dragon Dance music. Where's Your God Now, it's called. And so practice this with that music, and that's when you go off. And then I believe you don't come back on until you've got your spears, and it's just like 30 seconds later, okay?